Good afternoon, students. Today we will study practical 1, 2 and 3 of organic chemistry. Experiment number 1. Preparation of benzoic acid from benzamide. This is the aim of the experiment. Apparatus: conical flask, funnel, beaker, Thills tube, capillary tube, etc. Chemicals: benzamide 5 gram, dilute HCl, 5% NaOH, 50 ml. Reaction: so benzamide plus NaOH gives sodium benzoate plus ammonia is removed. Then benzoic acid plus sodium benzoate, this is not benzoic acid, that is sodium benzoate plus HCl gives benzoic acid. So reaction is, first of all, benzamide reacts with NaOH to give sodium benzoate. This sodium benzoate on reaction with HCl, when we add dilute HCl, it gets converted into benzoic acid. This is a preparation of benzoic acid from benzamide. So this is the experiment which we will do in the, if the conditions are favorable, we will do this in the lab. So this is the demonstration of this practical. I have sent the procedure to so that you should write in your book, any notebook, or if you are having record, you write in your record. So I have also sent video from net, that also you can see it. Only for seeing that I have given you, that you observe it from your group. Procedure: take 5 gram benzamide in a conical flask and add 50 ml NaOH solution in it. So conical flask you have seen there. So what is a conical flask? You know, you take 5 gram benzamide by weighing and add 50 ml solution. NaOH solution is made in water that you should add. Keep the funnel in inverted position, means upside down, above the conical flask, and heat it till ammonia is completely removed. So how will you know that ammonia is completely removed? You can check it with litmus paper. If the content of the flask solidify, if solid is formed, then add some water to dissolve the solid. Test the completion of the reaction by holding a moist red litmus paper over the funnel. It should not turn blue. First of all, when you use, since it will go on turning blue, but if it is not turning blue, up to that time you should add the we should heat it. After ammonia is completely removed, cool the flask and filter. To the filtered, add excess of dilute HCl when benzoic acid precipitate out. If you are adding dilute HCl, benzoic acid white, you are seen there in the video, that benzoic acid white color will precipitate out. Filter and wash with water, dry and find out the weight. And you have to note down this weight. Recrystallize the crude product from the hot water and record the melting point of the pure product. Recrystallize means you have to make hot water and you have to dissolve that dried compound there, crude compound. Then you should keep it at room temperature. Then crystals will form. Then you have to filter it, and again after drying you have to find out the melting point of the pure product. Calculation for theoretical yield: 1 benzamide is 1 benzoic acid. 121 gram weight of benzamide is equal to 122 gram weight of benzoic acid. Hence we have taken 5 grams. So 5 grams is equal to 5 into 122 by 121. You will get 5.04 gram. Actually you have to get the yield 5.04 gram. So percentage yield. So actual yield divided by theoretical yield into 100. So by weighing the crude product, you are getting that weight, that is the actual yield. This theoretical yield is 5.04 into 100. You will get the percentage yield there. The result: benzoic acid is white crystalline substance. Theoretical yield is equal to, this is 5.04 gram. Then actual yield you will note down. Then percentage yield is equal to dash percent. Melting point is equal to dash degree centigrade. Next, experiment number 2. Preparation of benzoic acid from benzaldehyde. Apparatus: round bottom flask, reflux condenser, funnel, beaker, Thills tube, capillary tube, etc. Chemicals: benzaldehyde 4 ml, KMnO4 solution you have to make it. Take 5 gram KMnO4 and dissolve it in 100 ml of water. We are taking anhydrous sodium carbonate 4 gram, potassium metabisulfate we are taking. Now we will add to decolorize this KMnO4 solution. Reaction: benzaldehyde on benzene CHO, benzaldehyde on reaction with KMnO4 and sodium carbonate, we will getting you are getting sodium benzoate. On benzene ring CONA, that is sodium benzoate. On hydrolysis again you are getting benzoic acid. Procedure: place 4 ml benzaldehyde anhydrous sodium carbonate 4 gram, 25 ml KMnO4 solution and few pieces of porcelain in a round bottom flask. Heat the flask gently on wire gas for 5 minutes using reflex condenser. You have seen in that video what is a reflex condenser. Cool and add about again 25 ml of KMnO4 and again heat for another 5 minutes. So 25 you go on adding, and lastly you have to heat it for 30 minutes. After heating is complete, cool the flask and filter. Add potassium bisulfite solution to decolorize the filter. Then add excess of dilute HCl and benzoic acid, precipitate out. Filter and wash with water, dry and wet. Recrystallize the crude product from hot water. Record the melting point of the product. Calculations for theoretical yield. 1 benzaldehyde is equal to 1 benzoic acid. 106 gram is equal to 122 gram. You have taken 4 grams, so 4 gram is equal to 4 into 122 divided by 106 is equal to 4.6 gram. Percentage yield is equal to actual yield divided by theoretical yield into 100 dash percentage result. Benzoic acid is a white crystalline substance. Theoretical yield is equal to 4.6 gram. Actual yield which you are finding out, percentage is equal to dash percentage. Then find out the melting point is that many degree centigrade. This is the result of the second experiment. Then experiment number 3, preparation of EM dinitrobenzene from nitrobenzene. Apparatus: round bottom flask, reflex condenser, beaker, Thiel's tube, capillary tube, funnel, etc. Chemicals: nitrobenzene 5 ml, concentrated nitric acid 8 ml, concentrated sulfuric acid 10 ml. Reaction: on benzene NO2 plus HNO3, concentrated H2SO4, nitrating mixture is there. Then in meta position, nitro group set and meta position means 1,3 position plus H2O, you are getting the product EM dinitrobenzene from nitrobenzene. Place 7.5 ml concentrated nitric acid and 10.5 ml concentrated sulfuric acid in round bottom flask which is kept in cold water. This is the nitrating mixture. We are adding concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid, that is known as nitrating mixture. Add 5 ml nitrobenzene dropwise with constant shaking. Do not remove the flask from cold water until nitrobenzene is added. Then keep it in boiling water bath. Attach reflex condenser and reflex for 15 to 20 minutes with occasional shaking. Reflex, it means you have to heat it, attaching the reflex condenser and you are going on shaking there up to 15 to 20 minutes. After the heating is complete, pour the hot reaction mixture into 100 ml ice cold water with constant stirring. So you go on stirring and pour this hot reaction mixture in this ice cold water. When M dinitrobenzene, precipitate out. Filter and wash with water. Filter it and wash with water and dry and find out the weight. Recrystallize the crude product from alcohol. So after drying, you have to dissolve that compound in the alcohol and you keep it. Then you are getting the crystals. And then you have to record that melting point of the pure product. Calculations for theoretical yield: 1 nitrobenzene is equal to 1 M dinitrobenzene. 123 gram is equal to 168 gram. 5 gram is equal to 5 into 168 divided by 123 is equal to 6.82 gram. Percentage is equal to actual yield divided by theoretical yield into 100. Result: M dinitrobenzene is a yellow crystalline substance. Theoretical yield is equal to 6.82 grams. Actual is equal to dash grams, which are finding out the crude product. Percentage is equal to dash percentage. Melting point after the recrystallization, that is dash degree centigrade. We have to find out the